Transforming your outdoor space into a captivating garden can be a rewarding endeavor that not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also improves your quality of life. In this guide, we present visionary ideas to help you reshape your garden into a stunning outdoor oasis. To create a captivating garden, start by establishing a cohesive design theme that reflects your personal style. Whether you prefer a modern, minimalist look or a more traditional, lush aesthetic, choosing a unifying theme will guide your selection of plants, materials, and garden features. Consider elements such as color schemes, textures, and patterns that can harmonize with the architecture of your home. Sustainability is an essential consideration when reshaping your garden. Incorporate eco-friendly practices such as native planting, which requires less water and maintenance, and the use of organic fertilizers. Additionally, consider installing rain gardens to manage water runoff and attract beneficial wildlife. By prioritizing sustainability, you can create a beautiful garden that benefits both the environment and your community. A captivating outdoor design should not only be visually appealing, but also functional. Think about how you want to use your garden. Whether you envision a space for entertaining, relaxation, or gardening, create designated areas that cater to these activities. Incorporate features such as seating areas, outdoor kitchens, or fire kits to enhance usability and encourage outdoor living. In smaller outdoor spaces, vertical gardening can be a game changer. This innovative approach allows you to maximize your garden's potential by using walls, trellises, or hanging planters to grow plants upwards rather than outwards. Not only does this save space, but it also adds dimension and visual interest to your garden design. The soothing sounds of water can significantly enhance the ambiance of any outdoor space. Consider integrating water features such as fountains, ponds, or waterfalls into your garden design. These elements not only serve as focal points, but also attract wildlife, creating a vibrant ecosystem within your garden. Lighting plays a crucial role in reshaping your garden into a captivating outdoor space. Thoughtfully placed lights can highlight specific features, such as sculptures or plants, and create a warm, inviting atmosphere for evening gatherings. Consider using solar-powered lights for an eco-friendly option that requires minimal maintenance. To ensure your garden remains captivating throughout the year, select a variety of plants that provide visual interest in different seasons. Incorporate evergreens for winter greenery, spring blooming flowers for early color, and fall foliage for stunning autumn displays. The seasonal diversity not only enhances the beauty of your garden, but also allows for year-round enjoyment. Reshaping your garden into a captivating outdoor space is an exciting journey that combines creativity, functionality, and sustainability. By implementing these visionary ideas, you can create a garden that not only enhances your home's curb appeal, but also provides a serene retreat for relaxation and enjoyment. Embrace the possibilities and let your garden reflect your unique vision and style.